Currently 12 degrees. Level 3 snow emergency. No one on the roads except essential personnel. This is essential. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hidden Motorsports YouTube channel. We have been in the process of putting up our massive bend pack lift. So building two's a little messy. And we got Klaus in the truck here. It is currently a level 3 snow emergency. We have about a foot of snow. No one's allowed to be on the roads. Supposed to get another 3 to 6 inches. That's what she said. So I'm the only one here getting some stuff done, and I figured, hey, I have winter tires, I have oil to do an oil change, and I have a 2,000 horsepower BMW Exokart. So for 5 years I've talked about taking this car, dashing through the snow, you could say. Why not do it right now? So let's change some tires, maybe put some antifreeze in the coolant system, change the oil, because here it is end of January. And we took it to Cleetus and cars in the beginning of November and haven't touched it since. I think there might be meth in there still. I don't know. But let's get to it. All right. Here it is. I did oil change, wiped them down, put a couple gallons of E in them, and snow tires. So, have not pulled them outside. It's just me. Wish me luck. We got this. That's not good. Look, guys, that's a Klaus out in the snow. We're gonna go see what he can do. It's, let's say, a good foot deep. Yeah! This is our landscaping crew that works next door in our building too. Oh. You know why? Because I like to party. we have made it to the gas station. Fill it up on some E85, getting some weird looking questions. But hey, let's get back to it. Klaus is actually doing pretty good. I have decent traction. Like you can see, those are some knobby boys. And it's okay. I'm still slipping and sliding and drifting. Luckily, I can drift maybe a little bit here and there. Currently 12 degrees. Level 3 snow emergency. No one on the roads except essential personnel. This is essential. Well, as I'm filling up, minding my own business, look who's finally back from snowmobiling.
Hey guys!
From real snow.
You're alive.
Not this sissy stuff.
I'm surprised you made it, because you don't really know how to drive anything. So.
Oh, I did fantastic.
He really did pretty good.
What'd you get to, 60 miles per hour?
The only thing that stopped me is it wasn't my sled, so I wasn't gonna break it.
If someone gave you it, you go all out. That's on them.
Yeah, but you see, the problem is I was under the same obligation I am when I drive your piece of junk. If I break it, I gotta fix it and or buy it. And
this is true.
I'm not sitting on that kind of money right now.
That's why he's buying Bella, my 2012 BMW, because he broke it.
I will buy that after I buy the 2500.
Yeah, that's never gonna happen. Oh, there, here.
appreciate that.
You're welcome.
I've been wanting to do that for literally the last 5 years. Don't we always joke about it? And Klaus is usually broken, or last year we had 1 day of snow, I think.
Or torn apart for winter refresh.
Or torn apart for winter refresh. Good news is we've been so busy to even touch it, it's still put together. I changed the oil, put some gas in it, we're good to go. And we have misconfirmed, Klaus can go through the snow just fine. So you and your minivan can go through the snow just fine if I can go down sideways through the whole road. That was a whole lot of fun. I've been meaning to do that for probably 5-6 years or something like that. Finally got to do it. There is some collateral damage in here. It's a bit much of snow. Holy crap, there's a lot of snow in here. Whoopsies. Well, that was a lot of fun. Till the next one, guys. Balls are out.